Now let us write a program which prints out multiplication table for any number entered by the user. So for that, first ask the user to any number. After user entered number, get the number using gets dot, because we need integer, convert it to the integer, and then write the for loop for a in 1 to 10. Print first number, then x symbol, then print the value of I, and then again is equal to, and then print number into I value, and lastly place the cursor in the new line. That's it. End. So here we can also give the spaces. So once we see the output, we will make the changes according to our requirement. So because we are writing it, press any key to exit and gets. Save it, Ctrl S, and open the file. Enter any number 5. So it is showing error because we have written here we are using A, but we haven't declared I. That's why the error. You should have to place A and A. Now Ctrl S, open the file. Let us 5. See here, multiplication table is printed. If you want the spaces, you can enter the spaces also according to your requirement. Press any key to exit. Let us run again. Now let us give 10. 10th table is printed. So this can be done using the while loop and until loop also. This is an assignment for you. Try this program and try to replace the while loop instead of for use while loop or until loop, and practice this program. So keep practicing. Meet you in the next video with another example.